Hi everybody, I found easiest way to install the Raspberry Pi. First of all, it seems that we all need to we all need a network well. For once we have installed a system at the first time. I think this is so difficult and it is troublesome. Why? Because I need to go to another room which have the router. So I think it is quite trouble. I have found this way is connect to a screen, and the screen has the HDMI interface. And I find the Raspberry Pi it don't need command to connect to the HDMI screen, so it is very convenient. As you can see, first of all, we should connect the screen to Raspberry Pi and power the screen. This screen is 11.6 inch. Look. This is the back of the screen. Power. We have turned the screen on, and there says no signal. Wait a minute. Oh, it have gone. Okay, it is no signal because I haven't turned the Raspberry Pi on. We should turn the screen on first and then turn the Raspberry Pi on. Look, this is the switch, and here this Raspberry Pi has been work. Look, this is the display. And why I need to make this? For I want to connect to Wi-Fi without a network wire and without the router. Just look at here. I can turn on the Wi-Fi and choose which Wi-Fi I want, and just input the password. The Raspberry Pi can remember the Wi-Fi you choose and the password you have input. So this is the easiest way. Oh, look at my Wi-Fi. I should connect to it. 203. Look. So I should input this password. I have connect to the mouse, this, and the keyboard. Look, all of the mouse and the keyboard are wireless. Look at this. Okay, I'll input the password. Okay. Look, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, so everything is easy. And now I can have fun. Look at this game, Minecraft. Start again. Oh, where's my mouse? Oh, it's here. Create new. This is 11.6 inch screen. And we also have another screen, the 5-inch screen, which also have HDMI interface. And I have tested. However, the 5-inch screen don't have the totally is this. It can't cover the screen. So you may see just like this screen, the display is shoot for screen. And if you haven't read the command to 5-inch screen with HDMI interface, you may get a little bad display. Just like this, it will have long as this and wide with this, and the rest you can see. But the display it shows must be really good, just for you can get the full screen of display. Oh, and this is 5-inch screen. This is a 7-inch screen, and this is 11.6 screen. We also have 10.1-inch screen and 12-inch screen. All of them are given discount. Look, Minecraft. I can go. Go. It works smooth, isn't it? I want to climb in. Go. Oh, I can look down. Here. This is my world. So it can run the Minecraft smooth. Yes? Okay. That's all. See you later. Bye bye.